Guys, somebody diss me. Somebody diss me, they do. Who no diss me? Look pan a nasty gal. Look how that gal look fuck out. That gal fuck out like dog. A TJ this, you know. That gal fuck out like dog. That gal look like shit. That gal frowsy. That gal stink. That gal nasty. TJ that, you know. That's how TJ go on, you know. With his shine head. And then, after I'm this, the people, let me know. And the people them come back for him, you know, and I diss him up, you know. You see it. You see this, you see him girlfriend run out. Let me talk about this situation because I feel like this situation can be angled better and I feel like this situation should be angled better. There's a spectrum in anarchy and thought and fornicated and solo source. In this declamation and anti-elimination and introspective malformation, this I think we could handle this situation better. Do you understand me? I really think we could handle this situation better. You understand? And for you to try to come out and this my man in the case. In the spectrum of the spectrum, for you to come out and this my man, I really don't appreciate that. Because if you diss my man, you diss me. And I really think TJ is not gonna come out and just diss you like that. I honestly believe that. TJ is not gonna come out and just disrespect you like that. School, man, school. Cause in the fabrication of the infomaniac, spolisical, and policyability I don't think my man would be so dunce to come out and just disrespect your daughter like that, Annie. I honestly do not believe that. So let's hear what's the problem. We really come to talk about this problem, and we're gonna see how best we can solve this problem. So tell me the problem, and I'll fix the problem. I'm here to represent my man because he's on the road shopping. So I'm here to represent him, and if anything, we can try to solve this issue and move forward. So the end of it, you know, guys. I saw the end of it. You see if we can't do any part. Me not so all right. Nikita. Do not disrespect Annie. Don't disrespect Annie. We can't do any part. Guys, as I said again, no disrespect to Moya and TJ. You understand? But anytime TJ can manage a situation, Moya come for the rescue. Don't you guys see that pattern?
Jayden,
Yeah.
may I ask you one serious question?
Yeah, me yam pum pum.
No.
Oh.
You have to choose. You want the lion or you want back Fabi?
Jesus Christ, I can't put me in a spot there.
Choose.
Fabi.
Alright. Here we go to now. You're going to share my new page. And like how she black up or everything, I am going to personally write a letter on your behalf. And I go, email. Oh, she live right up the road from me, you know. Yeah, I swear upon my life. I swear upon my life. I swear upon my mother. Fabi live right up the road this from me. God kill me. You see how easy that be?
Give me Fabi.
You want Fabi? Alright, tell the people them to follow that page and me. I go up there today, me I go look for Fabi. Today, you have to get back Fabi.
Alright, here we do. It's when I reach up there. You're gonna go live, you're gonna prove it to me. So when I do that, we talk about business. You cannot trick me. You have to go up there first. Can you smart, you know? You know how to catch me. And that is not, I don't like that about you. I want to be the smartest one only. Candy, you're smart. Just make you know, thank you. Yes, you live close with you. Candy, do. Candy, please. Me, I beg you. Me know, Candy live close with you. Candy. Go up there. Boy! How about that? How that? Guys, give me wheel, guys. 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 Just give me wheels. Wheels. Just wheels more, guys. Please. Thank you so much. Everybody we are send, guys, you know, grab up the people and we are send the wheels them, guys. Please, me I beg you. Suck your man. Suck back your mama youth. I go fuck. Guys, send me the wheel them, guys. Just 5 more wheel me need, guys. We just need 5 more wheel for the live goal. Please. Please, guys, me I beg you. Candy, please, me I beg you. Candy, you're smart. God on time. Thank you, bro. Candy, you're smart, Candy. Smart. Candy, you're smart, Candy. You're smart. John Star. Guys, if we get the money, you know, guys, the money go just get the money and shit it out. The money now go always did it. But if me get back, so now same thing. She go and go home when she vex. Give me lion! Give me lion, Candy! Give me lion! TJ! Give me lion there! Give me lion there, Candy! Oh, guys, 4 more. Jay, thank you. Oh, where's it? Where's it? Who's that girl that can't behave herself? 4 more here, guys. 4 more. Only Rosie. Thank you. Guys, 3 more, guys. Or 2 more. 2 more. 2 more, chap. You go send them. Guys, follow Jayden. Send candy. Roses for what? It makes that easy, yeah. Boy! Only Roses, thank you, Jay, thank you.
Jayden, me have everything in stock, you know, so you have to choose. You have to think this out very wisely. I can bring this to her. She's just like 2 minutes away from me. Or you want the lion? You got to think about it. You got to think about this, Jayden. So, them I say, it's like I did have rose here, but me not have to come way down a wish by you, them can just make sure get this. Me can make sure get this. You take the lion. Which one?
So, how about wine and rose?
No in there. No rose.
Right on time.
Lion. Everybody has a lion. Jayden. Choose. Cause woman in a beg. Me I go beg for you right now.
Don't talk loud. How that? How that there?
I beg, me I go beg for you right now, Jayden. Serious beggings, you know. So is either Fabi with them Rosa or Lion?
Guys. Like how them a follow them chat. Me a follow mine chat too. What wanna say?
Everybody has a Lion. What you want? What you want? What Jayden want?
Lion.
Lion. Alright.
Wait.
Cause me I go come off and send the Lion, you know, and remember.
No, wait.
No, wait, not Jayden, you have to think.
Wait. What me think?
Wait, no. Once me send the Lion, you know. Fabi, I go pray, you know. Fabi, I pray, cause she go say, oh, you choose Lion over forget me back. You have to think this through, you know, Jayden.
True, can they true that?
Get some jerkins too, cause sometimes when your body loose, you think more easier.
God no. Oh, Miss Outside, what?
See if you can get some jerkins.
Father God, whatever put me in position of Jesus Christ.
Jayden, right now, you take too long to choose, cause if I did me, would have vexed a long time.
Huh?
If I did me, would have vexed any woman would have vexed a long time, cause why you can't choose between a lion and a full human being where you say love?
God, she a move hard.
Yes, she I go move so, but are you know as a top man, as a man for sure, I say, yo, if you give up too easy, that not gonna work. You can't give up so easy. You gotta prove our point this so. You see, if you do everything now, every single thing, you send a rose, you send an email, you post a picture on Shein, and then something they realize that she definitely not come and say, alright then. But you can't do bare minimum and feel like say you do the most and then that go work.
Hold on, Candy, wait. But if me make you give her the roses, I should accept it. Right?
Yeah. That's the thing.
Let me say Lion.
Wait no, she not have to accept it, you know. I thought we count coffee all day, she go sit down and remember that. All tomorrow. She has to don't remember that. But yeah, you'd have missed the lion cause either. But me I sure you say, she always remember that. Alright, me not even not gonna try influencer like me I try talk you.
Alright, Candy, send the rose up there.
Send the rose them up there.
Yeah.
Alright. When me do that, me circle you back.
Alright. I mean, anybody rose them still. So guys, when you think we lose a lion, guys? Channel stop. You can always get lion. Oh, you know that? I can always get lion, guys. Yes. Okay. Like how me can always get lion. Hey! Give me one! Give me one! Prove it to me! Prove it to me! Channel star, me lose. Channel star, me lose a lion still. Lose a lion! Chow. Lord God. Father God. Lose a lion, Father God. Guys, can I get a wheel? Can I get a wheel, guys? Ross, a number 4 me there. Me the number 4. Guys, me the number 4. Me the number 4, guys. Me never see it.